Hello to my factory. This is my tractor and I have a problem with it. This is a high pressure fuel pump and it have a problem. It have a leaking fuel. These tractors stay here around hour and there is a fuel on the floor. Outside we can notice places where I hold my tractor and where it will stay for a few days. I have need for this tractor and I want to fix it because I need it for my machinery moving. Also, I want to exchange how it belt is called. It's a timing belt and roller for the timing belt. I take parts from engine what is kaput and install on this engine. How far I get my moving? So there was a stowages, they are away, left, take out all stuff from this and that too goes away. I don't know where I can put this. Also here we can see a floor. There, down there is two stuff. It too should to go to exile. 3B12 circle grinder. Sorry, I have no place for you in here. So I start to disassemble the wall. I unscrew the screws and I take off these wooden planks and here too, but I not yet start disassemble this wall. So first I should to fix my tractor, and after around week and a half we will see how machinery is moving. So back to work. Thanks for watching, good luck and have a nice day.